So I will be doing an unboxing today, but I wanted to have a little bit of just a channel update. My uploads have been slow, which is why you haven't gotten a video until March, when this unboxing is for February and it was supposed to be last month. In December, I graduated from university and I finally got myself a nice job with my degree, and I'm very excited, but with this new page in my life, I'm starting all these new things and opportunities have been opening up for me, so I've been really busy. And I want to apologize for not uploading in a while. And there is a video that I've been needing to upload, I haven't, is the final video for my tarot series. So in March, you'll be getting 3 videos, including this one. This is going to be my unboxing for February, then you'll get an unboxing for March, and then you'll get the final video for my tarot series, and that's going to be showing the different tarot spreads and how to use them. And if you're curious what I'm drinking, it's not coffee, it's actually tea. It's a lavender milk tea. I get this on Amazon. You buy it kind of in bulk in a pretty big bag, and it's just a powder you pour in, kind of like matcha a little bit. It's lavender and it smells so good. But it's no caffeine, it's nice and soothing. So yeah, today we are opening our second box for Inked Goddess Creations. So let's get to it. The first box that I got for Inked Goddess Creations was fantastic, so I'm hoping this one's going to be pretty good. I don't look ahead at what the themes of the box are. Instead, I let the box tell me, since it's in every box. So I'm thinking the theme for this box is something to do with Witchy Fandom. It says Witchy Fandom 2. I wonder if maybe they did something last year with that, because this is only my second box. It says movies and television have produced some of the most iconic witches for decades now. Many witches draw inspiration and enjoyment from fictional witches of the big and small screens. This month's box contains items inspired by some of our favorite pop culture witches. Oh, that's going to be interesting. There were 2 movies I enjoyed growing up, 2 witchy movies. One of them was The Craft. I hear about that one a lot. And then the other one was Practical Magic. I want to say between the 2, Practical Magic was my favorite. I also enjoyed watching a TV show called Charmed. I know they changed characters after season 3, but that's another one of those iconic, inspirational, witchy television programs. Okay, so from the moment I got this box, I could smell some kind of aroma coming through it, and this box has been sitting on my desk for a while because I got behind. Oh, I was also sick in February, so that set me back too. And I kept smelling, I was like, what is that? It smells kind of like flowery, but kind of sweet. And I thought it was an oil, but I'm wondering if it might be this bath bomb here. I think it says Rowena's Kiss, if I'm reading that right, Rowena. It's a black cherry bath bomb. Not big on cherry, but it does smell really good, and I love the color, the black and the red. So that's pretty neat. First bath bomb I've gotten out of a box. I've gotten bath salts, but never a bath bomb. And let's see this. It looks like a candle. Love me some black candles. It is scented. It smells really good. I couldn't tell you what that smell is. It smells like a mixture of things. But it also smells bathy too. Not like the black cherry bath bomb. More of like hand soap a little bit, but more natural smelling. And because I was sick recently, my nose is probably not working the best right now. Should we see what's in this box? Or should we see... Yeah, let's do the box first. We'll start with the smaller stuff. Oh. Oh, that is pretty. Is that a necklace? Find a better way to show that. It's really long. Wow. It's like a black obsidian charm with pentacles hanging on the end of either a really long necklace or it could be like a rosary kind of thing. But I think it's beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. Now set that over there. That was lovely. So far, I have not been disappointed by any of these boxes. Let's see what's in this canvasy bag. I think it is a bag. Yep. Supreme Vibes, it says. That's a lot like the picture that they have on the Ink Goddess Creations little thing here. Wonder if that's their, like, logo. I know this is their logo. I wonder if that's, like, their secondary logo they use. This one up here makes me think of the movie Practical Magic, because they jump off the roof on Halloween. That's a cool bag. Let's set that over there. That tea is so good. It's sweet too. I don't have to add sugar or anything to it. So it says, always throw spilled salt over your left shoulder. Keep rosemary by your garden gate. Plant lavender for luck. And fall in love whenever you can. Oh, I just looked underneath what I'm holding. Getting ahead of myself. I'll show it off in just a second. There was something on the back. Lavender seeds. Nice. I wish I didn't live in an apartment. I wish I had a garden. I would absolutely adore having my own garden, and I would totally plant rosemary by the garden gate, and I will have lots and lots of lavender growing. I'll set that over there. Okay, so what I saw was this journal under here. I accidentally took a peek underneath, and this got my attention. I've always loved the Celtic Trinity knot ever since I saw it on the Book of Shadows on that TV show Charmed. Absolutely love how big their Book of Shadows is, and it was kind of like my inspiration as a child to start my own Book of Shadows, and I always wanted it to be full and very thick and just full of knowledge to pass down to other witches in the family. I love that I have like a little mini journal with my own Trinity knot on there. I also loved in the TV show Charmed when they had their cat, the little Siamese cat, I think it was. Or was it a hairless? I can't remember if it was a hairless or just like a really thin-haired Siamese. But that cat, he had the Trinity on his collar, and I thought that was super cute. Oh, look at that. It's printed on the first page. To Whom I Belong To. And it's got the Ink Goddess Creations logo on there. I love that logo. Oh, it's not lined. Oh, nice. This is actually my first journal that isn't lined. I have one that has dots, but most of mine all have lines. My Book of Shadows itself doesn't have lines though. But this is super cute. And I love it when there's no lines because I can put stamps and drawings and that all over it. I like to get crafty. And it has its own little page marker too. Ah, it's green. So cute. It's a very, very nice leather. May not be real leather, but it feels nice and sturdy, like it's not going to get scuffed. So that, I love that. And then it comes with their card. And then it's early access to next month's theme. So it looks like our next video is going to be Spells and Enchantments unboxing. Cool. It's a little sneak peek. All right, let's set everything up. And voila! Let's make sure that we have everything. The back side of this should list everything off. It says this month's box contains Charmed inspired Book of Shadows. Yes, I recognize that. This beautiful faux leather, so it is fake leather, which I figured. Faux leather is inspired by the Witchy Sisters grimoire. It contains blank pages for you to write or draw your spells. Very, very nice. AHS Coven-inspired toll. What's a toll? Is that the back? You'll be emitting some supreme vibes. Yes. With this canvas toll inspired by the show American Horror Story. I kind of guessed that it was American Horror Story because of the little, I don't know what you call it, with the little umlauts. I don't know what that's called, if it's underneath the letter, if it's still called an umlaut, I don't know. I speak a little German. I took 3 years in high school, but I'm used to it being above, so I don't know if it's the same thing or if it is just being a fancy font. But I did recognize that as American Horror Story, but I never really watched that myself. I don't like horror. And yeah, it says carry your books, your groceries, your spell supplies wherever you go. Next is Nancy's Rosary Beads. It is a rosary. I thought so because of how long it is. Inspired by the Craft's Nancy. So that was inspired by the Craft. This obsidian gemstone necklace can be used as pagan prayer beads. I love that. Never tried that concept, but I do enjoy trying new things, especially for meditation. It could also be used as a protection amulet for your car and so much more. That's a good idea. It's very long, so it'll probably like wrap around the mirror several times, but I can definitely hang it from the mirror in my car. I'll find something to do with it. It may end up hanging off the side of my bookshelf. When I record my videos in the back room, I have a jade horse hanging from the bookshelf. I actually may replace it with these beads. Because of how long it is, it may end up in the video. That's a good idea. Something to look for in the future. In future videos, you'll see if I actually hung it up. Next is Rowena. I hope I'm saying that right. Rowena's Kiss Bath Bomb, inspired by Supernatural's resident witch. If that's talking about the show Supernatural, I never watched it, so I don't know much about it. Or I watched like part of a few episodes, but I just couldn't get into it. But a lot of people really enjoy that show, and I hear it's got really good parts to it. It's inspired by a character named Rowena, that I hope I'm saying correctly. This black cherry scented bath bomb can help you embrace your dark witch vibes. And I love the black and red. Gorgeous. I know, it won't stay. Okay. Next is Dark Baptism Olive Candle. A blend of oak moss, firewood, myrrh, and black pepper. That's why I could not figure out what that scent was, because I was like, what is this scent? I'm not smelling much firewood. I definitely am smelling some myrrh and some oak moss, but not really black pepper or firewood. But that's okay, because I don't really care for that smoky smell too much, like that firewood smoky smell. It's inspired by the dark baptism scene in The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. Okay, I didn't watch that show. I enjoyed the original Sabrina, but I never saw the remake. My little sister watched it, and she loved it. I've seen many pictures of the main character, and she's beautiful. It says, this blend is great for protection and transformation energies. Fantastic. Sorry, I can't stop smelling it. It smells so good. So, next and lastly, we have Practical Magic inspired art card with lavender seeds DIY. Yep, that's from Practical Magic. I did recognize that. And then we've got the lavender seeds on the back side. It says, this cute art card was designed with many witches' favorite quote from Practical Magic. Yes. We then took that quote and turned it into a DIY so you can plant lavender for luck. For seed decorations, it's best to run an online search for the best tips for growing lavender from seeds in your region. General planting instructions are to cover seeds with a small layer of soil, no more than 1/8 of an inch, and keep the soil moist. Lavender seeds should begin sprouting within 3 to 4 weeks. I may try a little pot of lavender out there on the terrace. Might be able to get enough sunshine for it to grow. I've been wanting to start a terrace garden. I had so many plans and ideas for it. I wanted to get like green turf grass, like the artificial turf grass, and use that to line my balcony. So it actually feels like I'm walking outside in the grass, and then just put potted plants, vining plants, and just decorate the whole little terrace area out there. And I thought that'd be so cute. And I'll be working through the summer, so it probably won't be this year. I have a lot of dried herbs right now, so I'm in no need to grow my own at the moment, but I would still absolutely love to in time. That was our wonderful box. I very much enjoyed that. Still Inked Goddess Creations has not disappointed. If you enjoyed this box, please let me know. What was your favorite part of it? And share with me what your favorite witchy inspirations were as a child too, or just growing up in general, or even as an adult. What do you enjoy watching now that's got witchy themes to it? Maybe there's a movie or a show I've never heard of and I'd like to check it out. So please, please share. And as always, may your future be bright and guided by the stars. Blessed be.